Hello everyone, this is me Padma. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of simple interest, which is question number 2 of exercise 9A, which belongs to class 8 ICSE Concise Mathematics book of Selena publication. If you want to refer question number 1, I have given a link over here. Please look into it. Now let's start with the question. Here the first question. Here the general thing is, so for all the question, we are going to find what is the interest and the amount. So we know what is interest, right? So it's nothing but the simple interest formula, which is SI equal to P into R by 100 into T, which is nothing but time period. P is principal. R by 100 is nothing but the rate of interest in percentage. And here, what is the meaning of amount? Finally, after I am lending some money, and finally how much we are going to give it back. So it's nothing but A equal to P plus SI. So this is nothing but the formula for finding the amount. So these two only we are going to find, but based on the given data. We'll look into the first question. So what is our first question? 750 rupees in 3 years 4 months at 10% per annum. So here what are the details they have given? The principal are 750 rupees. And what is the next detail? They have given the time duration. So the term T is equal to 3 year 4 month. But it was not actually specified in a year, right? So we need to convert that to an year. 3 year is fine, but 4 month we need to still convert. So always make sure your time period is with respect to year or not. So it's must to be represented in an year. So we are converting over here as 3 year, let it be, and 4 month we can write it as 4 by 12, right? Because 1 month is 1 by 12 year, then 4 month is equal to 4 by 12 year. And here 4 and 12 having a common factor 3, so I am cancelling this. So it's going to be 3 1 by 3 years, right? And now the rate of interest is equal to 10% per annum. Make sure it is given for per annum. If it is not, we have to convert that to per annum. Always the rate of interest has been considered only for an annum in case of simple interest, right? So every details we have. So now we are going to find what is simple interest by using our formula. So we know it is P is nothing but 750. Since I have wrote the formula over here, I'm not writing it again. And what is R? It's nothing but 10 by 100. And what is our time duration? It is 3 1 by 3. So actually it is in mixed fraction, right? So we need to convert that to, so 339, 9 plus 1, 10 by 3 years. So I'm going to use 10 by 3 over here. Yes, so now we can cancel 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and 3 for one time, and here 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are and 250. So here our answer is actually the simple interest is 250 rupees. Yes, so we need to find still what is the amount, right? So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So what is our principal? As per the question, it is 750. And what about the interest? We have found it's 250. So together it's known as 1000 rupees. So what is the answer for this first question? So simple interest is equal to 250 rupees and amount is equal to 1000 rupees. So we'll see the next question. So our next question is 5000 rupees at 8% per year from 23rd December 2011 to 29th July 2012. So first we'll write the given data. P equal to 5000. So our principal is 5000 and rate of interest, whether it is given for per year. Yeah, it is given. So 8%. Now we need to know what is the time duration, right? Time period is actually given in day calculation. So it is started from 23rd December 2011. So in 2011, only December month was there. So totally how many days are left over from 23rd to 31? It's nothing but 9 days. So we need to first calculate the total number of days. Then we can divide that with the total number of days in a year. We will get the year calculation. So in 2012, we have January. In January, we have 31 days. And then in February, so since it's this February is of leap year, we need to take it as 29. And then March we have 31, and then April we have 30, then May we have 31, and then June we have 30, and July, see in July till 29 days only, so it is 29. So what we have to do for knowing this time period, first we need to add all these number of days. You will be getting as 220 days. So now we need to convert the 220 days to the year calculation I told, right? So how can I convert number of days to year? By dividing that with the total number of days in a year. So since it's a leap year, major part is on 2012, right? Since it's a leap year, you need to divide this with 366 days. So now our time period in year, how can we represent over here? So 220 divided by 366. So it's nothing but the year format. Yes, now we can come to the formula SI equal to P into R into T, and this is R is nothing but R by 100. So it's going to be 5000 into 8 by 100 into 220 by 366. Yeah, so now we can cancel these these two zero, and then can we cancel this with 2 table? So I can make it as 110, and here it's going to be 2, it's 1, sorry, 1, and it's 8, since it is 6 it's going to be 3, so 183 we got. So we'll multiply all the numerator together. So we will be getting 44,000 divided by 183. Yeah. So if we divide this, we will be getting 240.43. So this is what our simple interest calculation. Now still we need to find. So I can round it off this to 240 rupees because after decimal I have only 4, right? So I am taking this as 240 rupees. Now we are going to take what is actually an amount. So take the formula A equal to P plus SI. So what is our P? It's 5000, and our SI is going to be 240. So what is the amount? It's nothing but 5240 rupees. So this is the answer for the second problem. Let's see the next problem. Yes, our next problem is the principal is 2600. 2 years, 3 months is given as a time duration, and 1% per month is given as a rate of interest. So first we will write everything. Principal is 2600. What about the time period they have given? It is 2 year and 3 month. So since month is there, we need to convert that to an year. So how many 3 months is how many year? It's nothing but 3 by 12, and again it is having a common factor 3, so it's going to be 2 1 by 4 year. Yes, now when we are coming for this rate of interest, it is given, see, it's not given per annum, it is given for per month, but actually usually our rate of interest need to be in per annum. So 1% per month, then for 12 month how many percentage? You have to multiply that with 12, so that we will be getting 12% as the rate of interest. Now we have all our data, so directly we can substitute in simple interest formula in order to get the answer. Yeah, so now we will use the formula SI equal to P into R by 100 into T. So what is our P? It's 2600, and rate of interest is 12 by 100, and then here, yeah, this is in mixed fraction, right? So we need to convert this, so it become 9 by 4 here, right? So that we are going to use over here. Yes, so we can cancel these 2020 for 1 time, and this is for 3 time. So we will be getting 26 into 27, it's nothing but 702. So this is what our simple interest. Still we need to find what is an amount, right? So it's nothing but P plus SI. So P plus SI, our P is 2600 and SI is 702. So what will be the answer over here? 2, 0, 3, and balance 1 is going to be 3. So 3302. This is what our amount. Yes, we'll see the next question. So before going to the next question, just we will write the answer over here separately. Simple interest is 702, and then amount is equal to rupees 3302. Yeah, now we'll move for the next question. So our next question is here, the principal is given as 4000 and the year is given as 1 by 3, and here very important thing, they have given the amount for the month. They have given, instead of giving as a percentage, they have given the value for a per month they have given. Okay, so first we'll write down the data, then I will explain what to do for this. So our principal is 4000. Okay, now the time period is what? 1 by 3. So how can I convert this to mixed fraction to improper fraction, right? So how, what will be the answer? It's going to be 4 by 3 year. Yeah, let it be. Now Here a rate of interest need to be given, but instead of that they made what is the answer of this, what they have given, it is 2 paise per rupee. So how can I convert 2 paise per rupee means how can I represent that in a rupee? It's nothing but 0.02 rupees, right? This is what the calculation, how I can write 2 paise in rupee. Now this is only for 1 month, but here our value what we have to take for 12 months, right? Because rate of interest always need to be calculated for a year. So for 12 month I want, so what you have to do, you multiply 0.02 into 12, so we will get 0.24 we will be getting, right? So this is what, if you multiply with a 12 we will be getting 0.24 rupee, right? But the rate of interest together is known as this. So how can I represent this in a percentage? So it's nothing but 24 by 100. Here very important thing, they have not given in a percentage, instead of that they have given as a value. So we found the value and we are making that to be in term of percentage, then only it will be useful for us to substitute in our formula, right? So this is what, so what is our rate of percentage? So R equal to 24 by 100, or I can represent R percentage equal to 24 percentage. So both are right thing. So now we will substitute in the formula, which is P into R by 100 into T. So what is our P? It's 4000. And what is our R? It's 24 by 100 into the time duration is 4 by 3. Yes, so now we can cancel over here. It's going for 8 times and these two zeros. Yes, so now we can calculate, means you will be getting 40 into 4 is 160, 160 into 8. So we will be getting 1280 as simple interest. Still we need to find what is the amount, right? Amount equal to P plus SI. So it's going to be, principal is 4000 and the interest is 1280. So the amount is 5280 rupees. Okay, so what is the answer for this problem? Simple interest is rupees 1280 and amount is rupees 5280. So this is what the answer for this problem. The upcoming problem we'll see in the next videos. Thank you.